Hello, dear parents. Very good evening from my side, Ruchi Enthusiastic. So, many of you parents are very much excited for upcoming events. So, here I am to share the details of our upcoming events. Let me share my screen. Here it is. All right. So, first of all, a very warm wishes as this month we have celebrated Janmashtami, Independence Day, Raksha Bandhan. So, as you know, so much exciting celebrations in this month. If we go with our events, so we will be having our kids debate competition. The schedule is Wednesday, 20th August at 6 p.m. Pacific time. The topic for the debate should is Are grades the best measure of intelligence? And we will be having three categories where children can participate according to their age group. When you go to the registration form, you'll get all the details about this debate competition. Next one is wow, the chess battle. That is also based on Avengers theme. Great. And these are the glimpses of some gift from our side. And what's special? This time, the participants who are going for the semi-finals round, they are going to grab these gifts for everyone. So each and every single participant who are they are going for the semi-final round, they are going to get these exciting gift as a note of appreciation. So the schedule for this chess battle is Friday, 22nd of August at 6 p.m. Pacific time. Yeah. Then the the perfect math Olympiad for math lovers. The schedule is Monday, 24th of August, 6 p.m. Pacific time. So here also, according to the age group of the child, we will be having the categories where children can participate. Now, the thing is how you can participate if you are new or if you are our existing participant, so how you can participate in these exciting events. So the answer is you can go, we are sharing the registration form along with all the details there in community messages, email, and Facebook posts on other social media posts as well. So you can check the registration form, right? And enroll yourself. And after enrolling, of course, our team will connect with you to guide you how to further follow the steps for the participation. Here, I'm going to cover a few of the frequently asked questions from your side. So, what is the age group for these events? So, kids between age of 5 to 15 can participate in our competitions. We have different categories based on their age group and grade level, especially for the academics competitions like math olympiad, debate competition, right? As far as chess is concerned, so the only prerequisition is the participant must know about the chess. Even if he or she is at a very beginner level, even they can also participate in our chess tournament. Of course, this is a way how you can even get the knowledge about yourself, your performance, that how your child is uh, progressing in chess and how exactly he's playing chess. So how can and I enroll my child in these events? So we share the registration form through Facebook posts, community messages, personal outreach, and email. You can fill the registration form and our team will connect with you to share all competition related details. Sometimes we are getting the questions that are these competitions or events only for kids? No, not at all. So we also have the events, workshop, competitions for adults as well. like music competitions, you know, the music and vocal music and instruments. Even you can check our monthly calendar, which we will be sharing in our communities for all the, competitions and events and workshops we do have for kids as well as for adults as well. Are these competitions paid? Some of the competitions are paid while others are free. So you can find all the details in the message itself or in the registration form. Sometimes the parents are having the queries like, will we are going to receive the certificates for participation? So yes, after the event, winner will be getting the winner certificate, and participants, each and every participant, they will be getting the participation certificate. So these are the some of the questions which I have just added from my side, and the queries from parent side itself. And even if you are having any questions, any doubt, any query, you can even put there in the comment section. Yeah. So you can see our entire month calendar, August month calendar, starting from the Wizard chess battle, then the Avengers chess battle, Math Olympiad, right? Each and every single day, we will be conducting some events, and the post the related to that event we are sharing in that particular community. Yeah, right. So hope you all are very excited to get there in our competitions. See you there. Bye bye. Thank you so much.